Welcome back to Reina's channel. If you're planning a trip to Japan, some solid prep before you go is a must. Today's video is all about enjoying Japan as a couple. A lot of people come to Japan with their partner or spouse, right? So in this video, I'm going to share some amazing travel ideas perfect for couples. From taking romantic photo shoots together, to enjoying fun activities, to creating special keepsakes in hands-on workshops. This video is all about making unforgettable memories together in Japan. And don't miss the second half of the video, where I will share my top 5 recommended tours for couples traveling in Japan. Make sure you watch until the end. All right then, sit back, relax, and enjoy Japan for couples.
Japan.
Traditional experiences, discover Japanese culture together. One of the best ways to experience the essence of Japan is through a traditional townhouse, machiya experience in Kyoto. Begin your morning by renting kimono and strolling through historic streets. Then take part in a tea ceremony held inside a beautifully preserved machiya. Many venues offer chair seating for guests who are not comfortable sitting on the floor, making the experience accessible even for first-time visitors. With an English-speaking guide explaining the meaning and philosophy behind each gesture, couples can gain a deeper cultural understanding, while sharing an authentic Japanese moment together. Photo time is often included, allowing you to capture lasting memories of your journey. Relaxing together, hot springs, and a traditional ryokan stay. For travelers who may feel unsure about Japanese bathing customs, a private open-air bathroom in Hakone is an ideal choice. Enjoy your own onsen in complete privacy, without worrying about etiquette. Dinner is typically served in your room, or a private dining space where you can savor seasonal kaiseki cuisine at a relaxed pace. On the following day, combine art museum visits with a peaceful lakeside walk to enjoy both sightseeing and relaxation. Convenient access from major cities makes this an easy and rewarding addition to a first trip to Japan. Nature and the Four Seasons outdoor experiences. The area surrounding Mount Fuji offers a wide range of beginner-friendly outdoor activities. During the day, couples can enjoy cycling along scenic lakeside paths while taking in breathtaking views. In the evening, join a stargazing tour hosted by your accommodation, where a sky full of stars, rarely seen in urban areas, creates a truly unforgettable experience. Depending on the season, cherry blossoms, autumn foliage, or snow-covered landscapes add a unique character to each visit, ensuring a different memory every time. Everyday Japan, through food experiences. For couples who want to connect with everyday Japanese life through food, exploring Tokyo's traditional downtown neighborhoods is highly recommended. Spend the morning wandering through local shopping streets, sampling items such as croquettes and traditional sweets. In the afternoon, join a small group sushi-making class and learn directly from a professional sushi chef. Many classes are conducted in English, offering insights into ingredients and Japanese dining customs. By combining tasting with hands-on experience, food becomes a deeper cultural journey rather than just a meal, creating tangible memories through themed experiences. For couples who value meaningful souvenirs, Kanazawa is an excellent destination known for its traditional crafts. A gold leaf workshop allows visitors to experience a rare Japanese technique firsthand, while creating a small item to take home. The finished piece becomes a personal reminder of your journey long after the trip ends. After the workshop, stroll through historic samurai districts and traditional tea house areas, enjoying a calm and refined atmosphere, an ideal finale for a mature and memorable couples trip.
Japan.
So, how was it? Which travel plan was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Alright, thanks for waiting. Now it's time for Reina's top 5 best tours for couples traveling in Japan. Let's start with number 5. The 5th is Tokyo by Night Photography Tour. This is a romantic night photo tour where you explore neon-lit Tokyo with an English-speaking guide who's also a professional photographer. With the dreamy cityscapes of Shinjuku and Shibuya as your backdrop, your natural moments as a couple are beautifully captured. The photos are delivered later as digital data, so you can take those memories home with you. It's like a date night in Tokyo. Stylish, fun, and incredibly romantic.
Next up, let's talk about number 4.
The fourth is Beautiful Photography Tour in Kyoto. This 90-minute walking photo tour takes you through some of Kyoto's most charming areas. Together with a professional photographer, you'll visit multiple locations such as Gion, shrines, and traditional streets, capturing both scenic views and your natural expressions as a couple. Kimono or yukata rental is included, and after the tour, you'll receive around 50 high-quality edited photos. It's a calm, intimate experience, perfect for couples who want elegant memories of Kyoto.
Now moving on to number 3.
The third is Mount Fuji e-bike tour. Explore nature and history in Shizuoka. This is an active, hands-on experience where you explore the Mount Fuji area by electric assist bicycle over 2 to 3 hours. Riding along quiet roads with a guide, you'll visit local shrines, parks, bridges, and scenic spots while enjoying incredible views of Mount Fuji. With a small group and English-speaking guide, even beginners can ride comfortably. It's the perfect way for couples to feel the breeze, connect with nature, and create shared memories outdoors.
Now for number 2.
The second is Matsue Izumo Taisha Shrine full-day private trip with government-licensed guide. This private one-day tour takes you to Izumo Taisha, famous worldwide as the shrine of matchmaking and good relationships. With an English-speaking government-licensed guide, you'll learn about Japanese mythology and the deep cultural meaning of en, or spiritual connection, while visiting this sacred place. The itinerary can also include Matsue Castle and Lake Shinji, making it ideal for couples, anniversaries, or even honeymoons. A truly meaningful journey that brings two people closer.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 pick. Drum roll, please!
The first is Private Handmade Ring Workshop Activity in Tokyo, Shibuya. In this workshop, couples create their own handmade rings during a private 1.5-hour experience in Shibuya. You'll choose the material, size, and design, then shape and finish the ring yourselves with guidance from skilled artisans. English support is available, so even first-timers can relax and enjoy the process. Creating a one-of-a-kind matching ring together makes this a deeply personal and unforgettable souvenir. Photos are taken during the experience, so the memories last forever. At the end of the journey, you look up at the sky, feel the gentle breeze, and remember the quiet moment of prayer. What you experienced here will surely stay in your heart far more deeply than any photo or video ever could. The sense of en, the special connections felt in Izumo, strengthens the bond between lovers and gently encourages the path that lies ahead. May the feelings born in this sacred place of Japan cross borders and bring warm, meaningful connections into your life. We hope to welcome you back to Japan again someday. There are still so many hidden gems all across Japan, and I'll be sharing more useful tips and fun discoveries in future videos, so stay tuned. If you want to be the first to know when a new video drops, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if there's anything about Japan you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to hear your ideas. Oh, and one more thing. I just launched a brand new website with blog posts related to the video. You can also find info on related tours and even shop for souvenirs. Check it out from the link in the description box below. All right, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara!